Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing the big tub, the 15-gallon whole tub for the bigger plants, the cauliflowers and the cabbages. They drop right in here. There's 4, and then you're all set. It's a 15-gallon, it's a 16-gallon, but we're going to fill it 3 times 5 as far as the formulations for the fertilizer go. So it'll be 15 gallons. So let's get started on this. I'll put this on the side. Let's get a brand new one. Right here we have a brand new 15-gallon storage bin, and I cut already the plastic that we're going to need. You want a 6 mil plastic on here because it'll keep the algae from growing. And it's also around the sides. I already set it up with the plastic. The 6 mil plastic is cut up around the bin. So we'll get to that in a minute. But first we're going to drill the holes. Now, when you're drilling the holes, it's a big bucket. And if you drill the holes right with the bucket, you can crack the bucket. It happened to me. So we have a 5-inch hole saw, and we're going to drill with a support. We're going to drill a 5-inch hole. Now, what I'm going to do ahead of that is I'm going to mark it, so I have an approximate idea where these holes are going to be. So I got that same concrete block that I've been using for all my work. Probably should have another one. But anyway, I'm going to mark for 4 holes. No science to this. Just drop them in there anywhere you like. And then we just want to make sure we're not going to hit the concrete. So we go in here and we drill a first hole. Okay, to save some time, I cut all the holes off camera. So it's a 5-inch hole in the tub with some sort of support. If you don't have the support, there's a good chance you can crack the tub. Okay, now that we have this all set, I'm going to spray the Gorilla Glue in place here. You can do a liberal amount. And after this is on there, you leave it for a couple seconds. And then you can drop the poly on it. Figure it nice and center here. Press it down and leave it until it's dry. And then use a razor to cut the holes in the poly. Got a razor here somewhere. There you go. And just cut out the hole with the razor. I just do one because the glue is still drying. There you go. So you have a hole. You drop your net pot in there, and you're all set. Now the bottom part of it is just as easy. You have your tub. Right here, and again, I measured the poly ahead of time. Let me get this concrete block out of the way. Then you have it all measured out all the way around, and you do the same thing. You got the Gorilla Glue, you spray it all the way around and glue it down. The other part is finished over there. If you didn't see my other tub building with the 8 holes, I'll have it right over here, a link there, and you can check it out. And any parts I've used today, I'm an Amazon affiliate, and there'll be a link below on things at Amazon. So take care. If you have any comments, questions, please subscribe. You know the thing. What can I say? Bye-bye.